It's Miss Alana working on math, being awesome and amazing, and getting smarter and smarter every day. And I know you are too. We are working on today's math assignment. Bam, today is December the 5th. It's a Monday. We are almost done. Flipping to the back side, we are working on the bottom left problem right here. Can you see that? It is measurement and data. Let's begin by reading the standard. Hey, make sure you have your paper, okay? Make sure you have that. Measurement and data. Read it with me. Geometric measurement. Understand concepts of volume and relate volume to multiplication and division. MGSE 5.MD4. Measure volumes by counting unit cubes using cubic centimeters, cubic inches, cubic feet, and improvised units, okay? So before we begin, what's our keyword here? Volume. Do you know what volume is? So that's a math word and a science word. Volume is how much stuff can you fit inside something, okay? So it's the measurement of how much the inside of something is. So for example, if I have a box, I can take the volume of that box. That means how much space is inside of that. I can have a water bottle and take the volume, figure out the volume. That means how much stuff is inside of that. Look, I have my container of cubes and I can figure out the volume of this container. Now, we are going to be using these unit cubes right here, okay? Bam, right here. Now, if you are in class, you can use them in class. If you're at home, you can use anything that's shaped like a cube. Sometimes sugar cubes. But don't eat the sugar. You can buy sugar cubes at the store and don't eat it. You can use them to make your shapes. You could probably use marshmallows. I don't know if those will stack properly. But if you don't have anything to use, I have these cubes that you can use in the classroom, okay? Let's take a look at the problem. It says using cube units, or should I say using unit cubes? All right, create rectangular prisms with the following dimensions and measure the volume of each. Now, what is a rectangular prism? A rectangular prism is a 3D shape. It's three-dimensional, and some sides could be squares, some sides could be rectangles. Do I see anything? Bam! For example, this box of tissue, let me hide the tissue. This is a rectangular prism. Look, it has length, it has width, and it has height. So what we are going to do is we're going to create a rectangular prism using these dimensions right here. Now, if you don't have your cubes, I'm going to show you. So the length is 3, the width is 2, and the height is 1. All right, let me see how I can do this. All right, maybe I have to do it this way. All right, so it says the length is 3. So let me get 3 cubes. Do you see that? Can you see that? Can you see my 3 cubes? All right, bam. See the 3 cubes? Can you see that? All right, now it has a width of 2. Now that doesn't mean I just put 2. That means let's do it this way. Oops, someone's at the door. Maybe they want to be in the video. Do they want? They're being shy. All right, bam. Look right there. Do you see that? So it has a length of 3. Look, 1, 2, 3, and a width of 2. See, there's 2, 2, 2. Now, what else do we have? It has a height of 1. Height of 1, see, is just 1 stack. Now, if I had a height of 2, I would stack it up on top. Now, to figure out the volume, you just have to count. How many cubes did we use? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can count by 3s. Look, 3, 6. Or you can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. Or count them one by one, just like how we did. So, bam. The volume of this first shape that we did is 6 unit cubes. Okay? Maybe I need to scoot that up. All right, look at the next one, number 2. It has a length of 4, a width of 3, and a height of 2. All right, let me put these back, use some more cubes. All right, so we need a length of 4. So I need to get 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to practice doing these in class, you can, all right? So do you see 4? And what's the width? The width is 3. Ah! The bell's ringing. Time to go. I gotta hurry up. All right. What's that width? That's only 2. I need to do another row. All right, so do you see that? It has a length of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the width, if I turn it, is 3, and the height is 2, which means it's like I need a second level. It's like a house. I need to make a second level. Bam. Ah, I need your help. Second level. I gotta be careful. I feel like they're about to fall. Ah, and they sure did. Maybe Miss Alana should not be a builder. Or maybe I need 2 hands. All right. All right, bam. All right, so we have a length of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a width of 3, 1, 2, 3, and a height of 2. Now, what do we need to do? We need to figure out how many blocks we use. All right, I'm going to give you a minute to look at that. Can you figure it out? Can you figure it out? Now, sometimes you can figure it out by looking at it, but sometimes you might have to take it apart. So what I am going to do is I am going to take it apart just like that. And let's count that up. All right, and make it nice and neat for you. Nice and neat. All right, we can count by 3. Look. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Or we can count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Or count by 8s. Look, 8, 16, 24. Bam. So the volume of this shape is what? 24 unit cubes. And I blocked it off at the bottom. So that is how we solve volume. Make sure that if you need help with the other questions, go find the other videos for that. We are almost done. We are almost done. Get it all done. Love you.